This is Andrea with Yarn Packin' Mama, and today we'll be going over how to do the back post double crochet. I've also seen this stitch referred to as raised double crochet back. So let's get started. I've already made a base of double crochet to start, and I'm going to chain 2 for a turning chain, and then instead of working into this first stitch, I'm going to work around this post. And in order to do a back post double crochet, you're going to be pushing the post towards the back of the work. And I am going to work this as a normal double crochet, but around the post. And to do back double crochet, you're going to yarn over, work into this first space, but you're going to work into it from the back of the work. So come around through the back, over the top of the post, and draw your yarn through, yarn over, pull up the loop, yarn over, and finish like a normal double crochet. Again, that's yarn over. Go in from the back of the work. Now, I like to turn my work when I'm working and pinch the top of the stitch so that I can pull my yarn through around the post much more easily, instead of having to worry about getting caught up on the yarn from the post, which I often do. So again, that's yarn over, go in from the back of your work, go around the post, pull up a loop, yarn over and draw through 2, yarn over and draw through 2. I'm going to meet you up at the end of not this row but the next row, because I'm going to work just a plain double crochet in between to show the true effect of what a post double crochet looks like, in this case the back post double crochet. See you then. I'm just finishing my final double crochet, and I'm turning it back over to the front of my work. And as you can see, there's a ridge where we worked our back double crochets, and this ridge is created because it leaves the top loop open of the stitch, and it lets it be brought forward while the posts are being drawn back. And if you want to see that again, I'm doing a 2-chain turning chain, coming into that space and around the hook from the back of the work, and just making a regular double crochet. And once you get the hang of this, it's actually a very fast and fun stitch to create some additional texture to your work, because if you want to do cable work as well, it also uses post double crochet, and the waffle stitch uses this similar technique as well. I think it uses just front post double crochet, but that's okay. So I will meet you at the end just to show what a swatch looks like. Post Double Crochet. And here's the front of the stitch. And you can see these ridges that were created from working the back post double crochet. And here's what the back of the work looks like. Looks nice and flat. And you can actually see this definitive line where it was worked around the post opposed to into the top of the stitch. And in between each back post double crochet row, I worked a row of double crochet normally into the top of the stitch. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for more.